The purpose of this one of four wānanga is to re-examine our traditional mātauranga and realign it again. So our maramataka is unique to Kirikiriroa, it's unique to our hapu. We've got to look at those things and how the maramataka actually govern our day-to-day living. The other purpose of it is to empower our rangatahi, is that they feel comfortable and confident in learning this old knowledge so they can carry that in their hearts and in their minds. This is a stepping stone to help other iwi and hapu to reclaim their confidence and mana in that space.
Our research program really is trying to work out ways to bring Indigenous nature, and I emphasise Indigenous nature, back into urban settings. And that process requires that we are connecting to the people who have 800 years of knowledge of this topic.
I was really looking forward to learning different types of mātauranga, especially with te taio and carving with matua. I don't really get the opportunity to learn a lot about mātauranga within te taio, and I feel like it's kind of vital.
I really wanted to know more local stories, knowledge, opportunities to make connections between the land, between nature and the way people move and live outside, and what I can learn from that to be a better advocate within the space concerning play, nature play, being in the outdoors, gully restoration, and how all of that work entwines it together.
Being able to use the greenstone adze today was really, really awesome. Learning more about Te Papa Nui and Ngāti Wairere and all of the hapu within this rohe was really, really interesting as well.
The passionate people that are here teaching us today, like Piripi here is quite passionate about what he does. Waramu over there was really passionate about what he does. And there's also the kaumātua and the queer that were here with their fascinating stories about life and times, you know, pre-colonisation and during colonisation, and that was really, really interesting.
Overall, I think it worked really well. I saw lots of nodding heads, I saw lots of squinty eyes, I saw lots of, you know, furrowed brows. I saw people being engaged on all levels, and it was great.
It's been an enjoyable experience of being able to share what it means to me to be a kaitiaki of the maramataka and taio o Ngāti Wairere, but also to demonstrate these taonga, these objects for the first time, to be able to give people a sense of connection back to their own whakapapa history.
Talked about the idea of know better and do better, and so by having this knowledge it really does actually help to sink in to make better decisions for Kirikiriroa Hamilton's future.
To be able to learn about all this mātauranga, I feel like it's kind of connecting me back to my tipuna.
All of us are really looking forward to learning more. Just being immersed in mātauranga Māori in general is just like the thing to do at the moment in Aotearoa. Because there's so many opportunities for us to do that at the moment, you know, everyone's taking it up, and so we really appreciate the opportunity.